Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Before we get started, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. All right, guys, I'm so excited to share with you guys a bag that is brand new to Petunia Pickle Bottom. You guys know I absolutely love their stuff. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out the playlist. I do have a full playlist of all my bags and reviews and, pack with me with Petunia Pickle Bottom. I personally love the brand even before they started sending me bags. So this bag was sent to me, full transparency. So let's go ahead and get into it. I am so excited. All right, guys, this bag is big. It is a big bag. It is perfect for traveling. If you have multiple kids, even if you don't have kids, it's just a perfect bag for traveling. I am going to show you guys me packing it. Before I show you that, I do want to mention that I was actually filming this video at my sister-in-law's house, so it is outside. I did use my mic, so I'm hoping that it actually sounds very good. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's go ahead and get into the walkthrough and the pack with me. All right, so right here there is a tech pocket. So it is mesh lined inside, so it's nice and soft, so it won't ruin any of your products. It does have a flap opening and it is magnetic right down there. And then it is a leatherette, so it is nice and soft. Let's go ahead and show you the sides. The side pockets are very deep. My 32-ounce water bottle fits in there perfectly without a problem. Again, they are insulated, so it makes life so much easier. It keeps it a little bit cooler on these hot days like today. And again, they are on both sides. Now when you turn to the back, there is a messenger strap bag. Both bag straps are padded, and then it does come with a little pocket bag here. But the coolest feature with this, it actually can be used when you travel. So when you unzip it, you could attach it to your suitcase, which I thought was really cool. Again, and you can hold it right here as well. And then a cool feature that this bag also has is you can put your tablet in here, guys. Your tablet, your laptop, or absolutely anything you want to. I actually use it for my daughter's tablet, but it is quite roomy and big, so you can put so much in there. It is an awesome new feature that they added. Now let's go ahead and open it. The biggest feature with the Boxies in general is they have already inside, attached to the bag, is a changing mat, which is so handy if you are still changing diapers. Now if you're not, even cooler, it does come off and you can just take that off and use it without it and close it up. It does have 2 pockets here and 2 pockets here, so in total you can put your diapers if you have multiple kids in each slot to make it easier, and then you just close it up and you can still use it this way as well, which I thought was really cool. And then when you go ahead and open it, it is a double pull. Right here, it does come with stroller attachments, so it makes life so much easier as well. You don't have to purchase them. And then inside, there is 2 pockets on each side, and then 2 pockets on these sides as well. They're elastic, so anything you put in there will stay. And you guys can see that it fits perfectly, whatever you need to fit inside there. The Intermix Deluxe kit does fit in there like a dream. I didn't bring it with me today, but it does fit in there like a dream. It literally slides in like nothing since it is a bigger bag. So that is the overview of the bag. It is so pretty. Now let's go ahead and fill it up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start out with the first pocket here. And I'm not gonna use it with a changing pad since I really rarely actually use it in general. In this first pocket here, I'm actually gonna put my daughter's bathing suit. And I'm also going to put a wet bag. Just like that. And in the back pocket, I'm actually going to put her swimming diapers. And this pocket right next to it, I am putting SPF for my daughter and for myself. And I'm also going to put her eczema lotion and her little sunglasses. And that's all I'm putting in this first pouch. Separating it up. And if I needed to get anything quick access, it's so easy because it's literally right there. You can literally add a lot more if you wanted to as well. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and open it. You guys can see there's a lot of space in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw in her wristlet with her changing, with her diapers and wipes. Now I'm going to throw in my travel plate, which has a spoon and fork and a disposable mat in there for my toddler. Throwing in some activities, even though I don't think she's going to really use them, but just in case, and it's going back here in this other pocket. I love this bag because it does have a lot of pockets that I could just honestly throw things in without having to use additional things. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add my daughter's change of clothes, and it also has our big first aid kit. Still have plenty of room for a lot more. I'm going to throw in our charger. And I'm throwing in the big pixel with our change of clothes. This is actually my change of clothes, and there is a full-size towel in here. My daughter has sensitive skin, so I don't like using just any towels. And that fits in there perfectly. And there's still so much room. I'm going to go ahead and throw in her snacks. There's only juice in here and a couple of things that I know she loves. As you see, there's still a lot of room in here. I'm going to go ahead and put our quick access bandage in Neosporin. Attach it to the key strap here, along with the stroller straps. So it's easy to grab. And the last thing that's going inside there is actually going to be this guy, this Yodel player for my toddler, in case she doesn't want to be on her tablet. And just put it right in there. You guys can see, you guys can throw in so much more if you really wanted to. And close it up. And then, as you guys can see, it is going to be a little bit on the bulky side, but I am extra, so that is normal. Now back here, I am going to throw in her tablet. On the front pocket, I do throw in my wallet for fast access. And then back here, I'm also putting in the Sun Bunny to make it fast access as well. And then I'm going to throw in my 32-ounce water bottle, which fits in there perfectly and keeps it nice and cold. And then my daughter's 12-ounce one. And that is all I'm packing for a day at the pool. All right, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.